Hello and welcome to my full wash day routine. So today I am going to be showing you step by step my full wash day routine from hair mask to washing my hair down to all the treatment that I'll be using on my hair. So if you think you'll be interested in this video, then keep on watching. So first, I'm going to start by extracting my aloe vera gel. So I'm going to be using just the gel. You can extract the gel however you like. Just do you. Since it's just the gel I won't be blending it this time around. I'm just going to be using my fingers to break it. As you can see, this very aloe vera is not very viscous. It's a bit fluidy, but yeah, I've already started with it, so I'm going to use it like that. So this is me trying to sieve out just the gel. Like I said, I want just the gel. And as you can see again, it's very fluidy. So I'm also going to be adding just one egg. I'll also be adding 1 tablespoon of honey. So this is me trying to make a protein hair mask. As you can see, this is the deep conditioner that I'll be using. This is from Mega Growth. So because I ran out of deep conditioner, the mask is going to be a bit fluidy. But if you're going to do this, I would advise you use more deep conditioner so it won't be too fluidy, or use a very viscous aloe vera. Because this aloe vera is very fluidy, it made the mask really watery, as you can see, and it's going to be very messy. So this is me trying to wet my hair, trying to soak my hair in warm water just to melt down every build up before I start the entire washing. So this is me enjoying the warm water on my scalp before shampooing my hair. So this is my second wash. I actually missed the first clip of me washing my hair. I used the Gentle Touch shampoo to wash my hair. So once I was done with the second wash, I went in with more warm water to rinse it out before going in for the third wash. I usually go in 3 times with my shampoo to be sure that my scalp and my entire strands are really clean, especially if I'm going for deep cleanse. Yeah, I usually go in like 3 times. I kind of scrub my scalp to be sure that everything is off. So what I like to do is I like to use warm water throughout the shampooing process to be sure that everything is off before going in with my deep conditioner. And this is me applying my hair mask. Sorry, yeah, this is me applying my hair mask. Like I said, this is very messy because the hair mask is runny. It's kind of messy, not kind of, it was really messy. So I would advise you do it in the bathroom. So I'm going to be applying this to my entire hair, especially my roots and also the strands of my hair. Like I said, this is very messy, so it's best you do it in the bathroom. So once you're done applying everything, you're just going to cover your hair and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. So once you're done applying it, you can massage your hair a bit to work everything in properly like I am doing. This is me just trying to work the entire treatment into my hair before bagging my hair. So I decided to use 2 bags to bag my hair to generate more heat. So this is me putting my hair in the first bag before putting it in the second bag. So this is messy, like I said, so you need to be really careful, else you're just going to have the entire mask running down your body. Like I said, guys, you're going to let it sit for at least 30 minutes before rinsing it out. At this point, you're not going to be using hot water or warm water to rinse it out, else you're going to end up washing off everything. And since there's egg in this, you're going to end up cooking the egg if you use hot water to rinse out everything. I'm also not going to be using shampoo. I'm only going to be using water to rinse out everything. I'm just going to keep running water until the water is completely clear. Like I've been saying in my previous video, I did hit a huge setback with my hair. That is why I am doing all this. I decided that I wasn't going to untwist my hair throughout for the rest of the year. So I'm just going to do everything I want to do on my hair in my twist. I will wash my hair in my twist, do my treatment in my twist, then retwist my hair if I have to, but I'm not going to take down my hair. So quick one, this is actually the leave-in conditioner that I decided to use during this wash day. So I decided to use two leave-in conditioner. I applied generously to my hair. So this is me showing you the second leave-in conditioner. It is from Gentle Touch, and the first one was from, I think, Olive. Yeah, it's Olive. So like I said, you're going to apply generously to your hair. And this is my growth oil and my butter that I made. So I'm also going to be applying this to my hair. So once I'm done applying everything to my hair, I'm going to take down my hair one after the other to retwist it. Like I said, the whole point of this is to minimize breakages as much as I can. So I'm not going to be detangling my hair. This is me trying to skip the whole process of detangling. I'm just going to take down one twist and then retwist it back. So this is what I've been doing for the past 3 months. I did this in August. Yeah, this video was made in August. So yeah, from August to December, this is what I'll be doing. I'll just keep washing and treating my hair in twist and then take one down and retwist my hair. And yeah, that's about it on this video. Very simple, very easy. This is my simple wash day routine. This is how I try to manage my hair to avoid breakages as much as I can. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, guys, please do not forget to stay safe. See you in my next video. Bye.